finds them all and it's like, holy shit!
Oh, he's sucking his dick. The kid comes in, mommy, mommy, ah!
Scarring for life.
This is the awkward midget. Wait, where's the husband?
In my stomach.
It's not what it looks like! It's not what it looks like! It's exactly what it looks like! It's not what it looks like!
You fell on their penises?
I fell on all of their penises! It's true! It's just clumsy! I'm out!
You need to take a picture of this.
I'm
like,
recording it!
Okay, well pictures work better because then you can like put in the little speech bubbles.
Yeah. Get out! Get out! Ah!
Wait. She runs out, straight black guy, and then they start going at it.
Then he turns black!
Oh no!
Then she comes back to him and she's like,
You have a black penis now, I love you more.
wah wah. The end. Alright, this is the tale of the loneliest little marshmallow fish. Once upon a time there was a lonely little marshmallow fish. Hold on.
And then black gang.
Alright, once upon a time there was a little lonely white fish.
Blackfish used to beat him up.
Every night he would go home and cry and be like, why can't I not get beat up? This is his bed. He's praying. He's praying. Dear God, I want to not get beat up anymore.
And black people would come in and beat him up.
Alright, so he would go to sleep and dream of days when he would never get beat up. One day, one day he dreamt long and hard.
Long and hard.
Let me get some black face. No, that's not.
Hang on.
Make a black hole. Alright. So he wakes up. I'm black. Now I can do all those cool things. So he goes to school. Loody doody 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 doo. I sure am comfortable with my own skin. Loody doody doody doo. Loody doody doo.
But everybody knew he was the lonely little white marshmallow fish, and Blackfish still beat him up.
Ah! And then he died. Ah!
And the other fish ate him.
Ow. Ow. New story. Spermfish. Spermfish. Go get like an egg. Here's the egg. Once upon a time in a land called the uterus, there was an egg.
When a man loves a woman and get really drunk, they have sex. And when they have sex,